If you have questions about stepping away from explicit matter, reducing your screen time, getting back on purpose in your life by improved clarity, productivity, focus, attention, if you want to improve your arousal function so that you can have a satisfying relationship with intimacy in your real life, then join me, Dr. Trish Leigh, for a live Q&A session. I'm doing it on Wednesday, May 21st at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tons of questions are coming in the comments here on this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, watch the videos, and if you have a question, put it in the comments. I'm going to answer it just for you. So join me Wednesday, May 21st, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you there.